Ham and leek potato bake. Prep the potatoes first. Cut washed potatoes into thin slices using a sharp knife or a mandolin if you have one. They should be about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then grease a 6 cup or 1.5 litre ovenproof dish. To start layering up the bake, take 1/3 of the potato slices and arrange them in the dish, overlapping them slightly. Top with some ham. It's great with leg ham off the bone from the deli, but any type of ham is fine for this. Then add a layer of garlic, onion, leek and thyme. Sprinkle with cheddar. Make another layer of potato and top with more ham, garlic, onion, leek, thyme and cheddar. Then arrange the last layer of potato on top. To finish the bake, combine cream, sour cream and stock in a jug. Sprinkle with more cheddar over the potatoes and season with salt and pepper. Then carefully pour over the cream mixture. Bake for 1 hour or until the potato is tender and the top is golden brown. Sprinkle with some more thyme and season with salt and pepper. This classic potato dish makes a perfect side for hearty meals such as roasts and slow-cooked dishes. For more ideas on what to make with potatoes, check out our Potato Masterclass video.